In today's fast-paced world, finding a kitchen appliance that can do it all is a game changer. This Cuisinart 7-Quart 4-in-1 Cook Central Multicooker is designed to simplify your cooking routine and bring out the best in every meal. Whether you want to slow cook, roast, brown, or steam your dishes, this multicooker does it all with ease. Its versatile features and user-friendly design make it an indispensable addition to any kitchen. Let's take a closer look at the Cuisinart 7-Quart 4-in-1 Cook Central Multicooker and explore why it's so beloved by home chefs. Key features and benefits. The Cuisinart 4-in-1 Cook Central Multicooker offers unparalleled versatility, allowing you to slow cook, roast, brown, sauté, or steam all with one device. No more juggling multiple pots or cooking times. This single appliance gives you complete control over your meal preparation. The 7-quart cooking pot is perfect for preparing meals for larger families or gatherings. Whether you're roasting a 6-pound chicken, cooking a beef stew, or preparing enough rice to feed a crowd, the generous capacity of this multicooker ensures that there's always enough to go around. The Cuisinart 7-Quart Multicooker features easy-to-use preset options for slow cook, roast, brown sauté, and steam functions. Plus, it has adjustable time and temperature controls, making it easy to personalize cooking based on your recipe. The Keep Warm function ensures your food stays at the perfect temperature until you're ready to serve, which is especially helpful when juggling a busy schedule. The Cuisinart 7-Quart Cook Central boasts a sleek stainless steel exterior that will fit perfectly into any modern kitchen. Its extra-large, blue backlit LCD display allows you to clearly see the time and temperature settings, making it easier to monitor your cooking process. The glass lid lets you observe the ingredients without lifting the lid and releasing heat. Plus, the retractable cord makes storage and organization a breeze, reducing countertop clutter. Cleaning up after cooking can often be the most frustrating part of meal prep. However, the removable 7-quart non-stick cast aluminum pot makes cleaning a breeze. Simply remove the cooking pot and the glass lid, and they're both dishwasher safe for effortless cleanup. Safety and durability are crucial when choosing kitchen appliances, and the Cuisinart 7-Quart Cook Central Multicooker delivers on both fronts. It is BPA-free, ensuring that your meals are free from harmful chemicals. Additionally, the 3-year warranty ensures peace of mind, knowing that you're investing in a high-quality, long-lasting product. Why you should buy the Cuisinart 7-Quart 4-in-1 Cook Central Multicooker. Ultimate convenience. Combine multiple cooking methods into one appliance, saving time and effort while preparing complex dishes. Large capacity. Cook for the entire family or prepare large batches for meal prepping without worrying about space. Customizable cooking. Adjust the time and temperature settings for total control over your recipes. Easy cleanup. With its non-stick, removable cooking pot and dishwasher-safe lid, cleanup is a breeze. Sleek and modern design, the stylish exterior will fit right into any kitchen decor while taking up minimal space. Pros and cons. Pros: 4-in-1 functionality. Slow cooks, roasts, browns, and steams all in one appliance. Large 7-quart capacity. Ideal for family meals or meal prepping. User-friendly controls. Easy to use presets and customizable time and temperature settings. Keep Warm feature. Keeps food at the perfect serving temperature until you're ready. Dishwasher safe. Parts. Non-stick cooking pot and glass lid are easy to clean. Sleek design. Stainless steel finish and modern LCD display complement any kitchen. Durable and BPA-free. Safe materials with a 3-year warranty for peace of mind. Cons. Size. The 7-quart capacity may be too large for smaller households or individuals. No pressure cooking function. Lacks the speed of pressure cooking for those in a rush. Heavier. Can be bulky and heavy, especially when full of food, making it less portable. In conclusion, this Cuisinart 7-Quart 4-in-1 Cook Central Multicooker stands out as an essential kitchen tool for anyone looking to streamline their cooking routine. Its ability to slow cook, roast, brown, and steam with just one appliance not only saves time but also elevates the quality of your meals. Whether you're cooking for a family or meal prepping for the week, its large 7-quart capacity, versatile functions, and easy cleanup features make it a true kitchen game changer. If you're ready to simplify your cooking while still delivering delicious restaurant-quality meals, this multi-cooker is the perfect solution. Don't miss out. Click the link below to grab yours today and start cooking smarter. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.